everyone, it's Sherry.
And I'm Kathleen.
Today is Kathleen's last day with me.
Because I'm flying back to Texas.
That's right. So we wanted to hop on really quick to show you how Mimas mess up every now and then. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Kathleen is with me today. Kathleen flies back to Texas this afternoon, but yesterday Kathleen, her mom, and I were in Michael's, and y'all know that I have been on a use your stash kick. I have been on a no buy kick. Well, I messed up yesterday because I was in Michael's. I saw these two paper pads. They were gorgeous. Somehow they ended up in my cart, and then they were in the back of my car. So I'm going to share with you how I messed up in just a minute. But before I do, Kathleen and I really want to thank everyone who was so supportive of her wonderful crafty video with me on yesterday. And in case you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked in the description box below, because we do a wonderful crafty project, but it was so well received by all of you and we loved reading the comments. Kathleen loves having that video that she can show her family and friends in Texas. So we're going to flip to the overhead camera. I'm going to show you the two paper pads that caused me to mess up. And then before we leave, Kathleen has a very sweet message for everyone. So yesterday while I was in Michael's, we were in Michael's to buy some vinyl because my daughter has been helping me to decorate the walls of my studio, as well as to put some signage on the front door. And I'll share that with you guys in another video because she has done a fabulous job and I can't wait for you to see it. But while we were in there, y'all, why does Michael's have the nerve to have paper so close to the vinyl? If the paper hadn't been there, I never would have seen it. But because it was so close to the vinyl, I ended up seeing it, and I saw two pads that I absolutely had to have. So I am blaming Michael's for my mess up. But the first one is called Cottage Flowers, and both of these are by Recollections. You get 16 designs in each, and you get 3 sheets of each. So you're getting 48 sheets in each pad. And I think these pads were $9.99 a piece. And the second one is called Fall Orchard, and both of these have foiling in them, but they are great autumn-themed paper for the fall or for Thanksgiving. So I know I get a lot of questions about where can you buy autumn or Thanksgiving paper. If you're in the U.S., you can get this paper either at the big box stores or you can order from their online sites. If you are international, check those sources that are available to you. I'm sure that there are plenty of autumn-themed papers out there, but I want to share this one really quickly. We're not going to spend a whole lot of time, but I wanted to show you some of the papers that are in. So you have the apples. We have the red truck that has pumpkins, but you can also decorate it with apples. And then we have the red paper. So it's a well-coordinated set, because then we have some plaids that'll work with that as well. So we have that plaid sheet. Then we have that beautiful fall foliage. And then we have this rust-colored sheet. And then look at the cut-apart sheet. How gorgeous are these? These would make some great box toppers, Kathleen. Make some great cards with these. So many different things that you can do with these, right? You can even write on this one. You see the lines? And then we have some gold foiled pumpkins. Some apples with foiling. I don't know if you can see that foiling, but that's gorgeous. Then we have some green. I like how they have the graphics mixed in with the coordinating solids, because that makes it very easy to craft a project. Then we have pies, and I believe because they have apples here, these must be apple pies. And then we have the nice khaki colored solids. And then we have bushels of apples with that foiling. Then we have this beautiful solid here that works well with this foil plaid. Y'all, look how gorgeous that is. Not only is this suitable for fall crafting, this also works for Christmas crafting as well. And then we have this nice blush pink. that will work well with this. So that is Fall Orchard, and this is Cottage Flowers. This is the one that originally caught my attention because I like the colors here on the outside. So very quick look. We have this nice bluish silver gray, and then we have some pink plaid that has that foiling. Then we have some more autumn foliage. And then we have another solid page. We have this beautiful foiled graphic page. Then we have this graphic page. Nice solid green. Beautiful little flowers with the foil center. Beautiful, beautiful cut apart page. So many different sizes of the cut aparts, and this is one of those sheets. It looks like we have 4x6s, we have some 3x4s, we have some 3x3s, then we have some 2x4s. Really nice selection of cut aparts here. So if you're wondering what a cut apart page is, this is a cut apart page, because we would then take these graphics and we can cut them apart and use them in our crafting. Then we have a nice brown, beautiful pumpkin page with flowers and foiling, blue pumpkins, and regular colored pumpkins. Another one of those floral sheets with the little foiling dots. Then another solid, beautiful, beautiful stripes that are going to work well with all of the other papers in this book. And then the last page are these beautiful fall colored flowers. So that is the Cottage Flowers from the Recollections collection. These are the two paper pads that made me mess up, y'all. But I am going to get back on the wagon and continue with my no-buy and using my stash. But every now and then we're going to slip up, and this is one of those slip ups for me. So my goal is not to buy, and I've been very good in keeping to that goal. But on occasion, sometimes we are going to see something that we want to add to our collection. So just know that even though you might be on a no-buy as well, it's okay every now and then if we slip up. So again, I want to thank you for the wonderful way that you shared in my crafting with my granddaughter, Kathleen. I want to thank you for the awesome support that you showed her in the comments. She loved them. And I want to thank you for the awesome support that you show me each and every day. So I hope you enjoyed a look at these two paper pads, because I have enjoyed sharing them with you. So as always, please be safe, be kind,
and be the reason someone smiles today.
Happy crafting, and we'll chat later.
Bye.
Bye.